Connect the oil inlet pipe and open the oil inlet valve. Connect the oil outlet pipe and open the oil outlet valve. Connect the oil filling pipe. When oil needs to be filled, open the oil filling valves. Connect the 3-phase wires and the ground wire. Turn on the main power switch. The phase sequence is correct when the green and yellow lights are on. Click the arrow to enter the running interface. In the settings interface, set the pressure and temperature you need. Click the star under the oil flushing to start the oil flushing system. Enter the manual operation interface to turn on the heaters. The oil temperature is increasing. VFD is used to change the flow rate. The flow rate on HMI is changing. If you want to fill the oil into the oil buffer tank, click the star under the oil filling to start the oil filling system. Click the stop under the oil filling to stop the oil filling system. When the oil reaches the high or warning level, the oil filling system will stop automatically. Enter the manual operation interface to turn off the heaters. Click the stop under the oil flushing to stop the oil flushing system. Turn off the main power switch.